For centuries, the Amazon rainforest has stood in all its majesty. A treasure hidden away, enveloped by trees and guarded by treacherous rapids and waterfalls. Ancient volcanically formed mountains stand as remnants of their creation. Teeming with life, the jungle is an emerald jewel on the earth. Picture flying over nothing but vegetation for miles and descending over the trees onto a grass patch. Full of adventure, the rainforest awaits you. Deep in the Amazon rainforest and accessible only by air, the beautiful Kabalebo Nature Resort offers an exceptional level of comfort and unforgettable memories, even for those with a lifetime of incredible travel experiences. In a world that moves too fast, Kabalebo Nature Resort offers a welcome tonic of relaxation and discovery. Our adventure starts soaring over more than 250 kilometers of uninhabited rainforest. Days are filled with rainforest adventure and exploration. At Kabalebo Nature Resort, you'll share new experiences with those like-minded travelers who don't measure a getaway in days, but in how long one is under its spell. From the moment you arrive, you are greeted by our warm and hospitable staff and the unique atmosphere. Just because you're in the jungle doesn't mean you can't have an exceptional level of comfort. Relax by the poolside and enjoy the bar with an honor system. All of our rooms offer private and modern bathroom facilities with both hot and cold water. Air conditioning is also available. All the rooms are serviced daily. Privacy and a view of the Kabalebo River. Stay in one of our special river cabins situated on the banks of the Kabalebo River. These elevated bungalows exceed one's imagination of jungle comfort in such a remote and inaccessible location. Wake up to the sounds of the forest and step out onto your veranda high above the river and soak in the view. The Kabalebo Nature Resort promises you an adventure beyond comparison. Our list of activities are adventurous and a once-in-a-lifetime experience. You may choose to embark on a mountain climbing excursion up Misty Mountain, while hiking through the jungle, boating on the river. Various wildlife is often seen, such as tapir, monkeys, capybaras, jaguar, ocelot, and hundreds of species of birds. Wildlife are also frequent visitors near the resort. Or take boat rides to different locations along the river for a cool dip, or venture there yourself in your very own kayak. You can also choose to camp outside and sleep under the stars with the light of a campfire. One of the activities that Kabalebo Nature Resort is popular for is the world-class sport fishing. As a representative of the International Game Fishing Association, we do catch and release. The Kabalebo River is home to a variety of large sport fish, such as the legendary Anyumara and the elusive red-tailed catfish, and hold 30 world records. Special arrangements can be made to travel up the river to the rustic Uncle Pete's Lodge for an unforgettable fishing experience. The rainforests surrounding Kabalebo Nature Resort can also be a source of peace and personal reflection. For those who simply want to relax, meditate, leave with a sense of renewal and invigoration. Our private program will allow you to enjoy the area at your own pace. Give us a few days of your time and we'll give you back your spirit.